Hey guys, so I'm an engineer who decided to switch path and started studying veterinary medicine. At the age of 28, I'm getting my very own pet for the first time. I know it's so embarrassing, but even when I was making this video, I felt so embarrassed about it. But still, I decided to make it anyways. So when I was a child, we used to live in rented apartments and we cannot have pets at that time. It was not allowed by the landlords. Then finally when I was in my high school, we moved to our own place. Even then I couldn't have my own pets because the neighbors are not happy about it. Throughout my childhood, I was fascinated with animals and pets in general because that's the one that is very accessible, right? And even in my school days, the school owned a couple of pets for the children. I used to go and stare at them all day. So yeah, I'm always fascinated with animals though. So therefore I ended up choosing biology and then wanted to be a veterinarian, and I studied as hard as I could study, and then I could only get like 95% in India. Like, it's really competitive. I couldn't get into veterinary schools because I should have scored something about 97, I guess, to get into vet school. And I ended up getting admitted for dental school, which I did not like. So I ended up choosing engineering, just like almost every other Indian chooses. So I did my engineering of 4 years and then did my masters in Europe. I studied in Germany and Sweden. And once I finished my masters, I decided that I really wanted to pursue my passion of veterinary medicine and then enroll in veterinary medicine in Poland. So currently I'm in my third year of veterinary school at the age of 28, and I decided to buy my pet finally. There's a catch here. I live at the university dorms and study, go to school, so they don't allow pets here as well. And from what I read, it looks like they don't allow noisy pets, so there might be a chance. And I also work part-time and go to school. Veterinary schools are very stressful as well, so I won't be at home as well a lot of times, so I have to choose something that does not affect my work and study. That means the maintenance should be somewhat easier to take care of the animal. So did you guys guess what I'm getting? I think most of you might have guessed it. After all, I'm getting an aquarium, a desk size small aquarium, like a 35 liters or 9.25 gallons. I'm so excited about it. I know it's like such a small thing. I'm buying a small aquarium, but for me to leave engineering, all 7 years of engineering, and delve into veterinary medicine, wanting to pursue a career with animals, and a person who never owned any pet, this is like a huge thing, even though it's just fishes. So for me personally, it's a massive win for me that I'm even having the ability to own pets. And this is just the start. In future I wanted to have guinea pigs, I wanted to have horses, and so on and so forth. So let's see where that goes. I'm so excited. I wanted to make a separate video about how I set up my aquarium and my choices of material, substrate, and I also decided to have live plants as well. So I'll make a separate video of how I build my aquarium. Even my girlfriend is so excited about it. So if you wanted to know more about her, watch my previous videos in my channel. Thank you.